In this video, we're going to identify the main errors in a high-level test taker's response to task 1. First, let's take a look at the instructions. I'll give you some time to read this over, and then we'll move on to the test taker's response. Okay, now here's a sample response from a test taker. This response was rated at level 8. We're gonna look at this a few sentences at a time. Alright, we'll just start from the top. There are 3 sentence level mistakes here. See if you can find them all. I'll give you 15 seconds to have a look. Okay, did you find anything? Here, the test taker used the wrong preposition. It should actually be congratulate you on your graduation. In the second sentence, the test taker should really have said your subjects instead of the subjects. And here, a comma is not the correct punctuation. This part is a complete sentence all by itself. And so is this part. We need more than a comma to separate 2 sentences. We need a period. Okay, in the next few sentences, there are 3 more mistakes. I'll give you another 15 seconds to look for them. What did you find this time? First up, we should try not to begin sentences with conjunctions like but, and there really is no reason to have a comma here. To correct it, we can just begin the sentence with this was just the first milestone. Since and college education shapes the future is a complete idea, we need to separate it correctly by adding a comma here. And college should be lowercased like this. Let's continue. This time, look for another 3 mistakes. What did you find this time? First of all, the test taker is missing an article before next step. And they used another incorrect preposition here. It should be apply to the best colleges. And as we just mentioned, colleges doesn't need to be capitalized. Let's keep going. Have a look at these sentences now. There are 3 errors. So how did you do? Did you spot anything? We've got to fix the verb tense here. Instead of this won't be the best decision, the test taker should really have written this wouldn't be the best decision, since the future here is still a bit uncertain. The test taker also forgot a preposition here. It should be in the field you're interested in. And we should really add a comma after in as well, since the next part of the sentence is a full idea. Okay, let's finish off this response. There are 6 things to fix in this last part. I'll give you another 15 seconds. Did you find all 6 errors? First, we say make a decision instead of take a decision. The test taker also forgot an article here. In the next sentence, very good luck doesn't need any article, and it should be in your future endeavors instead of for your future endeavors. Uh-oh, the test taker forgot to write a subject in the next sentence. It should be, if you need any guidance or help. And there should also be a comma after the sign-off, regards. So in this video, we've discussed a number of errors in this Task 1 response. But remember that these were just at the sentence level, and that is just one aspect of what the raters consider while rating your response. We didn't focus on any other aspects, such as how well the test taker actually developed their ideas. In the next video, we'll identify some errors in a Task 2 response.